Tony.
Lagi niyong tatandaan, para sa mga nagmahal, umasa at nabigo. Lintik lang ang walang gante.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm Vince and today we're here at GMA, actually in front of GMA, and I'm using a new camera today so I'm not used with working with this. Tita Janice called me to visit her at her taping for her new show, and it's called Destined to be Rose.
Destined to be yours.
Destined to be yours. We're going to check out what happens behind the scenes at the taping. Yun.
Hey Vince!
Kumusta
Hey
po?
there! Mabuti ikaw, welcome!
I'm
welcome.
good. Thank you for the invite.
Yeah, sure. Thank you for coming. Let's go,
No
let's
problem.
go. We're supposed to shoot something in, kunyari, bookstore.
Pero hindi siya totoong bookstore.
Hindi. Alam mo naman, hindi pwedeng mangyari yung gano'n. So where do you show this thing?
Sa YouTube.
I saw your vlogs on What Mothers Do.
Yeah.
Backstage. I was laughing and laughing. Say hi, that's Alden.
Hello, hello. Hello. Hey, what's up,
That's Vince.
Hello, Vince. Nice to meet you. So, hello to the vlog. Hi, vlog.
This is our set. Is it your first time on a set? Hindi naman, di ba?
Hindi naman po.
We're going to block see.
You're part of the scene now.
Yeah. Because I'm a main mom, so I'm part of this scene. So I can.
What time did you start today?
Oh, I started before that. I was here by 3. I shot 4 p.m. And I'm going to go home soon. After this, I'm done.
Akala ko 4 sequences.
Yeah, mabilis siya. Mabilis yung director namin. So 1, 2, 3, finish. When the scene is all connected together, she tries to shoot them all in one go so that it's not as time consuming. So ikaw, kailan ka mag-edit? Ay, picture mo sa unang hero.
2 times.
Masaya?
Yeah, masaya naman. Pero nahihirapan ako.
Why? Language?
Kasi lahat ng mga lines ko Tagalog.
That is Cupcake Gardo.
Hello, hello. Say hello to the vlog.
And that's one show. And then there's me. Yeah.
Hello po. Hello.
Yeah, they're blocking because their scene is a bit
Scene is what?
This is what you call a big scene. Say hi. Hi.
Hello po.
It's Lynn. Vince. Direct.
Hello po. I'm Vince.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Maine.
Hello, Maine. I'm shy.
What are you gonna put as the title of this?
Visiting Tita Janice at her taping.
Sampaling kita ko sa Tita Janice. Pwedeng atin na lang.
Tita Janice. I'm so shy.
Mayroon mo siya.
Everybody's looking.
Magtiti kami. Doon ka muna sa tabi ni Popoy.
So now they're doing like a rehearsal take before they actually do the real take. They rehearse everything. They do the blockings. And when everything is good, they do like the final take.
Tony.
And this girl is fake. Hindi na ito sa akin sila ito. Dahil hinako niya lahat ng ideas ko for this. Alam mo sinungaling ka eh. Nabibita ka lang. Walang pruweba yung mga pinagsasabi mo. Teka. Yung akin yung nanakaw. Pinapaya mo yung sarili mo.
Kumusta ang takes?
Okay. Kumusta? Napanood mo?
Okay, okay naman. Looks fun.
Let's interview mo. Interview mo na.
So shy, di ba?
Shy ang party mo.
I'm so shy.
Hi guys!
Hi, this is actually for my vlog. So yeah, I'm a bit shy but ano eh, Tita Janice is here. Kumusta?
Okay naman, ito, pagod sa taping. Ikaw?
Okay naman din.
Okay ka lang?
Yeah, I also had today, unang hirit.
Nag-unang hirit ka?
Yeah.
Pang ilang araw ka naman?
Second pa lang.
May third pa?
Friday.
So ilang years ka nung nag-vlog?
Recently lang. So,
Recently
bago pa lang
lang.
ako sa vlogging.
For
But
sure, marami ka ng followers sa YouTube.
Starting pa lang, like 6,000 na.
Mag-grow pa yan, dadami pa yan.
With videos.
Yes, pero iba yung ginagawa ko, hindi siya as in video vlogs. Parang mga perky videos. Tulad sa Dub Smash.
Oh,
Kung
yeah.
saan ako nakilala. Yup, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. Super nice meeting you.
Nakita kita sa
Yeah.
So good luck.
Bro, pwede pa picture? Sure. You done?
I'm done. That is the best feeling. When they say pack up.
Yeah, back up. My inner shy came up.
Nasa Starstruck ka ba?
I don't know eh. Sikat. Bye po. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for the invite.
Sure. Thank you. Hope you had fun.
Yeah, I had fun. Guys, I don't know what happened. I got super shy. I don't know why. Never happens na I get super shy. But yeah, that's what happened. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.